Hello mga ka-kings! What's up? So for today's vlog mga ka-kings ay itong date na to ay May 20. So ngayong araw na to ay birthday ng anak kong si Ali. So kami-kami lang, meron lang siyang bisita sa Drac. Yan. Classmate ni Ali, wala silang pasok ngayon dahil bakasyon na. So bumili lang kami ng Jollibee, pamilya lang, mamaya pa si maming gabi. Tapos may pizza pa, ayan o. Pizza, may Jollibee. Yan. Ito ka Ali.
Okay, yes sir. Oh.
So kakantahan na natin si Ali ng happy birthday. Simple birthday lang tayo sa kanya, hindi kami nag-imbita dahil alam mo naman, alanganin na yung pera ngayon. Kami lang, pamilya at saka si Rain, so si mami, mamayang gabi. Tapos meron siyang best friend na si Sadrak. So kanta na tayo. Okay? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ali! Wala sa ibublo ngayon pero kasi kami lang kasi kauwi ko lang ng trabaho kaya lunch time na tong kakainin namin mga kings. Ano pa hinintay nyo? Oh, mag-pray muna sa Drac, mag-pray. Ikaw Ali mag-pray kasi Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Amen. Sige na.
Hello bro, get your rice.
Wash your run already Ali? Yung sa Drac, wash your run. Ayan o, rice o. Ito yung chicken o.
Are you sure this all day?
Friends! Dali na! Meron yung pansit na niluto si mama. Yung pansit kinina umaga niluto ni mami.
Nice.
So mamaya pa siguro yung kasama ni mami sa trabaho. Dito na sila kakain sila nininin sa kasi Ami. So kain muna tayo mga kings. Asan yung soft drinksan? Nasa rep? Nasa rep. Serious nga pala kasamaan sa bahay dito.
Hello.
Next.
Ay marami.
Kain muna tayo mga kings.
Remember when I was small, I ate the rice like a burger.
Kami po ay mga OFW dito sa bansang Kuwait at ito po ang aking pamilya. At ngayong araw ay birthday ng anak kong si Ali ay aba, siyempre hindi nawawala ang Jollibee.
Kain tayo mga kings oh.
Kain.
Jollibee oh. Oh, Jollibee sa Kuwait oh. Sa Pilipinas lang din.
At hindi lang yan mga ka-kings, dahil kagabi ay si Mami ay nagluto ng pansit at si Kuya Rins naman ay bumili ng Pizza Hut. Oh, yummy!
Yeah, may chicken na pala dyan oh. Ito oh. Mga wings.
Ali, a price of chicken. Chocolate cake.
May cake pala oh. Ba't di ka nag-blow na kandila? Lagi na ng kandila. Because this
Yes,
How
on
many months
Friday.
is go?
2 weeks.
2 weeks only? What?
Half a month.
Because
His mother?
yeah,
Only the turn? The vacation?
yeah.
But Ilibong, what age of Ilibong? 13, 14?
13.
But I think 14 you can
With
travel
his mother.
alone.
Mother, right?
Sally will try to ask if he can travel alone. He will go first rather than me. He will go there like 2 months and after I go 1 month.
Like, is his cousin picking him up?
Somebody.
Ah.
In Philippines, huh? But here, we ask the ticketing agent to in the airport, some people, so of course Filipino, we are Filipino, right? Asking that please go with si Ali go with this guy. What is this relationship? It's a friend like that. At least someone. But actually, you can travel alone. You know how to read, right? Besides, quite areas that one go direct only one plane only. Then after go in Philippines only.
You're in
One
Philippines, but you have to use another plane to get to the other airport.
No, cannot. It's in Manila only.
Oh. We
So
use,
someone pick him up there, and
No,
he's
what
at it.
I remember like Qatar, we used to go 2 planes.
no, cause like we use the Kuwait airplane, right? We went to the Philippines, right? Then we used the second airplane, a smaller one, to get to another.
In your place, in your daddy's place.
Yeah, we do that too.
But
Next, we use
yeah, if we go in my place, same. We go in another plane. But
Yeah,
Ali will not go in my place. Go in Manila only, in my house,
Manila.
in Cavite.
So you're not be with me.
Ali, I have a question for Ali. What's your wish for your birthday?
I don't know.
Why you don't know?
Shouldn't that be a secret?
You don't know how to answer?
Secret.
No secret, no secret. Secret is in another story. About your behavior, your treating to your parents, your relationship with the parents. Okay? You are a big boy already, Ari. You're 14 years old now. You are fully to become teenager. See? You know the rights or bad, right? The wrong or good or bad, right?
Oh, you're really going on.
See? We are here in Kuwait as treating as your parent. Some kids like you, like teenager, they are like trying to get something what they need to the parents. After the president give to them, their mind and their behavior become. You should appreciate what the things you give to you with your parents. Okay?
I don't really need a cake, bro.
See, this one, your parents buying for the Jollibee.
Yeah, that's enough.
What is coming from the hard work of your parents to give to you because your parents love you. Okay, you should appreciate what they give to you. Okay.
This also goes to you, mister.
Same subtract. Your parents is striving to find a job, to working hard, to send you in the school. Both of you send in the school. Okay. In return, you should appreciate your parents. You should do. I love you, daddy. I love you, mom. Every day. Lambing your parents, lambing your mother, kissing your mother like that.
When she go in the car.
Oh, yeah. But now, from little by little, you should separate from us. I know. It's like that. It's teenager. I know because I'm doing also that one before a long time when I was like you. Yeah. But remember, the love is don't take serious about the love. Okay? If you like a girl, don't take it seriously. Your focus this time is your study. Okay? Okay? It's normal to like a girl, especially she's beautiful like that. You admire a girl, but don't take seriously. Okay? Okay, Ali? This is the video. You can this is we can watch this one late again and again. What's your promise to your parents? Okay, tell me.
Huh?
What's your promise to your parents?
I promise.
Kasi ka,
Okay.
yeah.
I promise to my parents to stay alive until like.
Why you stay alive by your guru?
Yeah.
Why should you stay alive? About the education?
I promise I will study until I reach a certain level like college, and I will get my dream job. Yes.
Now, what's your dream job?
Still working on it.
Still working on it?
Yes.
What you said before is pilot.
I
Oh,
didn't say
I'm listening.
confirm.
Okay. You have time to research what you want to be. You still in second year high school. Okay?
Yeah.
And Sandrak, what you want to be? You have any plan?
Not really.
Be a flight attendant so we can go on flight.
And Ali is a pilot. Okay, say to them. This is the last. This is the what is this? This is the end of the video. Okay, say to them.
This is the end of the video.
Wow, this is the end of the video. Your voice is the. Okay.
Like, comment.
No, it's be like energetic. Oh, this is the end of the video, guys. So to those who did not subscribe it, like
No.
hey guys, this is the end of the video. To those who did not subscribe, please like. Okay, yun na.
Hey guys, this is the end of the video.
What? Don't speak. Don't talk if your mouth there is a food or full.
I can read it. Okay. Hey guys, this is the end of the video. Like, comment, subscribe, at paki-hit naman ang notification bell so you can get updated on our new videos. Now let's go!